Okay, we are going to now see how to use the references that we shortlisted and how to give them to ChatGPT in a format in which ChatGPT can give us some literature review. So, the research that we want to, the research journal that we targeted, we find out that it follows IEEE journal, IEEE colored electron device journal. We found it out by ChatGPT. So now we exported the list, and let me quickly open from the bibliography. So we exported this list. Now one problem with this is that it is too long to be given to ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not require us to give the abstract. So there are other ways to remove the abstract, but for now I'm going to just remove the abstract manually. And once I do that, I will pass it on to the ChatGPT. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Remember, we have to be careful with the prompts. We will ask ChatGPT to give us the literature review, group them in related categories, focus on the numbers in the findings, and show us more about the numbers. Uh, and we will ask give us 3 4 lines for each of the references. So once we tell ChatGPT all of this stuff, ChatGPT will focus on the numbers, it will focus on the grouping, and it's going to focus on the other stuff. So these are, and since we cannot put a lot of things in the ChatGPT, we will use only the important one. So I see, can you make literature review 3 to 4 lines for each reference? Use the format I will give and focus on numbers like what did the author achieve or show in numbers percent. Okay, then we will paste it. Here is the list of pip, but make sure you give me latex code with using the exact keys, and let's get those keys. For example, this, and let's see. Now I'm not using the latest chat GPT. This is the old one and the free one. Okay, we will ask it to group by. Okay, so can you group it into 2 3 relevant categories so that I have group of similar papers? Okay, can you give me group of Gen AI in big data in Gen AI? Include these groups. So this is generative AI in big data, and this is big data in generative AI. And cross-cutting topics. Good. Give me only the code, not the document. So ChatGPT did the organizing and grouping for us in the groups that we want for this literature. Now let's try to see if we can, uh, if this works. So if this works, all references will get populated like this, which it did, and we got the grouping. So we got Gen AI in big data, and we got big data in Gen AI. What about the third option, which is cross? Let's see. Yeah, I did not copy it properly, so I'm going to copy again. So we have three groups that it gave us, which is cross-cutting topics, and we have 11 references. So does it include all of our work? Yes, it includes Balakrishna. So this is how we made, but um, it did not give us the numbers and percent. So we will say that looks good. I like it, but can you give me numbers, percent, digit in the uh, literature review you created? So let's see. So cross cutting. I don't know. This version includes specific percentage number. Okay, I don't know which one is. Okay, so I'm going to swap this one and use this one, and let's see if we have more number. Uh, I prefer this. Let's copy it again. Okay. Uh, okay. Can you make sure that percent sign does not destroy my code? Is the next option. Sure. Percent sign does not destroy the code because in latex it is used for commenting. So we gave it the exact prompts to fix that. So we gave at least like 10, 20 prompts the correct way for us to get the job done. So now I hope the percent is not going to destroy, which it is, and it talks about the percent. So this is how we would use ChatGPT to group, get percent, and give us the latex code.